Okay, guys, so today's activity for Orange is dead simple. It's a nice, awesome game that you can play with a partner, okay? So you need to make sure that you have one of these cards and that your partner has a different colored card from you, okay? So, once you decide which card you're going to have, okay, then you will also need some counters, okay? One counter each, and you need a dice. Okay, so I'm going to go big green and I'm going to start first. Okay, so I'm going to roll the dice, and I've got 2. So that means I need to move 1, 2. Okay, nice and simple. So here we go. I'll land on 16, add 13. Now this is mental addition. So I need to be able to work this out in my head. So let's see, I know that I have to add the units first. So 6 add 3 is 9, and then 110 and 110 is 210, so that's 29. So before I write anything in there, I need my partner to check the answer. Okay, so here's my partner's calculator, and they're going to put in the same thing that I did. So on their calculator, they're going to do 16. Okay, 16 add 13. And that gives me the answer, 29. So my partner's going to say, yep, well done, Mr. Walker, you've got that right. Okay, so that means I'm going to go back to my board game, and in here I am going to write the correct answer because I got it right. I'm going to put 29 and get myself a tick. Okay, so that means because I got that one right, that means I can go again. So again, I roll the dice. This time I get 3, so I can go 1, 2, 3, and look at that. Okay, I already know what the answer to that one is because it's 86. My partner can check it for me again on the calculator, and because I've already played this game before, and I know I've got that one right, I'm going to roll again because I've got the another answer right, and this time I got 6. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I've landed on a blank space. If you land on a blank space, it means it is your partner's go. However, because this is just a demonstration, I'm going to cheat slightly, and I'm going to go here where it says 60 add 36. So let me see, 60 add 36. I think that gives me something like 85. Okay, so my partner needs to check that. Okay, now, while my partner is checking my answer using a calculator, it's very important for you to remember that you cannot look at the calculator. Okay? Your partner can only tell you if you are right or wrong. They cannot tell you what the actual answer is. Okay? So here we go. My partner's going to check my answer for me. So they're going to do 60, add 36, which will give me, okay, 96. My partner doesn't tell me what the answer is. My partner will just say, well done, Mr. Walker. Or he's going to say, no, Mr. Walker, I'm afraid you've got it wrong. Okay? In which case, if I've got it wrong, okay, I'm going to have to skip my go. And it is now my partner's go. Now the thing is, if I keep getting this question wrong, clearly I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay? So let's have a look over here. It says 60 and 36. I just can't work out what it is. Okay? I've asked my partner doesn't know. Okay, I've rewatched the video which taught me how to work this all out. I still can't get it. So I suppose the only thing I can do is go back to my teacher. Okay? Whilst I'm doing that, my partner, with their game board, because they no longer have a partner, is going to go and find somebody else to work with. Because otherwise they're going to be on their own. Okay? And it doesn't matter, my partner's already got here. Okay? My partner isn't going to start all over again. Okay? He or she is just going to start from where they left off. So they're going to go find somebody else and they're going to make another group with them. Okay? And then, when I finally can figure out what that answer is, then I can go back and find somebody else to play with. Okay? But it's all about working out the answers in your head. Okay then, so just a quick recap of what you need to do. Step 1, make sure you and your partner have different game boards. Step 2, roll the dice. Step 3, answer the question that you land on in your heads. Remember, it's mental addition. Step 4, your partner checks your answer using a calculator. Okay? They will tell you if you are right or if you're wrong. Step 5. If you're right, then you need to write the answer in the box and go again. Step 6. However, if you're wrong, you need to wait until your next turn to try again. Now, if you can't get past that question and you keep trying over and over again, ask for help. Either come back to Blue Group, ask a partner to help you to understand the question, okay? Don't sit there and feel like you don't know what to do. There are people there to help you, okay? Now, if your partner does leave you, feel free to go and find a different pair to make a pet group of 3. Have fun!